And fifth one, affiliate products, like external products. What is an affiliate product or external product? An affiliate product redirects users to another website using your affiliate link. You earn a commission when someone buys. This is an affiliate product we are going to create. So let me visit this affiliate product, and this product details is mentioned in my website, and you can sign up to like Amazon affiliate marketing. Let me open this amazon.com website, and this is the Amazon website. If you scroll down to the end, here you will see an option called become an affiliate. If I click on this affiliate, become an affiliate option, you can sign up for this affiliate account. Okay, so whenever someone, after creating the account, you can earn up to like 10% in affiliate fees from qualifying purchase and programs. Okay, if you sign up for the affiliate program like Amazon affiliate program, and you can promote these Amazon affiliate products through your website. Okay, here I have signed up for this affiliate account, and when someone visits my website and they see the price, and if they want to visit purchase this, they can click on this buy product option, and immediately it will be redirect to the Amazon website. And if someone makes a purchase, so I get the commission like up to like a 4% or 5% as per the Amazon's terms and conditions. Okay, and that's how affiliate product is created. Okay, and I will show you how to create this affiliate product. Okay, to learn in-depth tutorials about e-commerce website designing, first you can visit my channel BBSHARED Web Developer, and if you visit my website, here you can see I have created 6+ servers free e-commerce website designing course 2026, where in this course you will learn complete e-commerce website designing course, like how to create simple product, variable product, group product, affiliate product, virtual product, how to integrate payment gateway, shipping methods and all. Okay, so visit my channel and watch this video. I will put this link in the last of this video thumbnail, and also I have kept this link below this video description. Please do check and watch this entire 6 hours plus video to become professional in e-commerce website designing. Now let's go to product section, click on add new product, and here let me add title WooCommerce mic, and let me add short description. Let me copy this short description and let me paste it over here. Let me copy long description, and let's add this long description over here. Let me change from paragraph to heading 6. Okay, now here you need to select this product data into, like product type should be it has external or affiliate product. Okay, and here you need to add that affiliate link. Okay, so already I have copied this affiliate link. This is a WooCommerce microphone. If someone purchases through my link, I will get the commission. Okay, and let's add this price as 12,000 regular price and sale price as 10,999. Okay, so after adding this, these are the details we need to add. And after adding, you can also add like button texture as buy now or buy product, so as per your requirements. Okay, now let's add the product image. Set product image, click on upload files, select files, and this is the affiliate product image. Click on open, set product image, and here click on add new category, and here you can add affiliate product. After adding affiliate product, click on add new category, so it will be in affiliate product category. Okay, and you can also add like brands, add new brand. You can add like WooCommerce because it is from WooCommerce brand. Let me click on add new brand, and you can also add tags like mic or microphone as per your requirements. Okay, so after adding all these details, click on publish option, and now let me click on this preview changes. If I click on this preview changes, this is affiliate product, and that's how we can create the affiliate product. If someone visits my website and click on this buy product option, so it will be redirected to Amazon website. If someone makes purchase through my link, so I will get the affiliate commission. So that's how we can create this affiliate product.
Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is BBSHARED and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant, and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly. If you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.